So I'm gonna start off with a section this big, but I'm gonna do it in like 4 sections. And I'm gonna do ombre, so I'm gonna start from the ends, cover this, and then do streaks up here. So you guys will see what I'm gonna do right now. So keep in mind this is a 24-inch hair, so you're gonna need a lot of bleach. But if you guys just have regular 18 inches, you don't need as much bleach as me. But this is why I said it's always good to buy the big bottle, because I'm telling you, this goes through so quickly. Guys, so I actually bleached it here with the 4U developer and some powder lightener. So this is what it came out to. It's all even all throughout the head. It's all even. So this is about a 6 to 7 level of hair, which is like a light brown to maybe dark blonde. It's like a copper brown. You guys can see that. Okay. So whenever I do dye my hair, I like to add a plastic bag. Actually under this. To protect my cap. So just like that. And I tie it. And then I'll just put my wig back on. And just hold it at the front so it doesn't slip back. And just pull it down. That's how it's looking. It's a little loose, not loose, but it's a little too back. There you go. And if you guys have any pins, that's perfect. These will save your life, these T-pins right here. So I like just put it right here. And remember, this is a corkscrew head, so it's best to get that because the other ones don't last long. I have 3 of them. I can't find the other one, but as long as the front and the back is pinned down, that's all that matters. All the way down. Okay. I do have a photo shoot tomorrow. That's why I'm actually turning it red, because it goes with the theme. So these are the 2 colors I'm going to be using, which is Adore 70 Raging Red and then Adore 71 Intense Red. So the Intense Red is a little bit deeper, like a burgundy, but it's not going to be deep like that. It's not going to be dark like that. This is more of a brighter red, but it kind of has like a pinkish tone into it, like a magenta kind of look. So these might really, this wig really might come out magenta. That's how I think it's gonna look, but we'll see. So since I'm having 2 different colors, I'm gonna use 2 different bowls, 2 different mixing bowls, just like this, to have my colors separated. I'm also gonna use 2 different brushes as well to have them separated. And I might add in this Color Brilliance Absolute Perfection Booster, if you guys can see that. So this is really good to use if you want to brighten up your color to make it more vibrant. You don't have to put a lot, you can put a little bit. But just to make your color a little bit brighter, like more vibrant, you can add it, which I'm going to add it. Don't mind my nails. I'm actually in hair school, so I choose not to wear nails in hair school because it makes me work with the hair better. But I'm really going crazy because it's like, I hate them. But I'm going to actually probably get them done in the next 2 weeks before Christmas for sure. I might just keep them really short, but whatever. So then you could use a spatula. This is why I love Concrete Gems extensions, because when you do apply color to it, if you know how to put color onto hair, it takes color so well. It's just really pretty to me, and it's healthy. It's like no shedding, no nothing. And this was 40 developer bleach, 40. So just keep that in mind. So this is why I love this hair, and this is why I stand by this hair. So this is really thick. It's like, it looks like blood, but it's really thick. my fingers like this. And where it breaks off, this is the dark, this is the light, the breakage. I'm gonna take my 2 fingers like this and just blend it in. Okay guys, so I finished doing my hair. I finished applying all the color to the hair. As you guys can see, I have it into this drop where any dripping will get kept, any dripping will be caught into this little bag. But yeah, so I actually applied the Raging Red to the bottom and Intense Red to the top. So hopefully when it washes out, you guys will see the dark roots and the light tips. This is how it's looking. Full coverage. No brown is peeking through at all. So I'm excited to see what this color is going to look like once I take it out.